Hey everyone, I'm Sarah and this is Courageous Color, and today we're going to make punch pink and burgundy. To make burgundy, we'll need 2 parts red and 1 part blue. Then we'll mix in white and red to make punch pink. Here you can see that we've made a really nice burgundy color, sort of a deep magenta and part of the purple and red family. Now it's time to mix in our white and red. I've used 3 parts white and 1 part red because that's my classic mixture for pink. Mixing burgundy and pink will make punch pink. Thank you so much for making punch pink and burgundy today. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Courageous Color for more color mixing combinations. Bye for now.